Hello friends and good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about the negation of quantified statement. So friend, in our last video we had learned about quantified statement. So let me repeat once again. Quantified statement means those statements which have a quantifier. Or in simple word you can say that if a statement have a quantifier, then it is called as quantified statement. You also know that there are two types of quantifier, that is universal quantifier and existential quantifier. Okay, so for better learning about the negation of quantified statement, here we classified the quantified statement into two forms. That is, number one, verbal form, and second, symbolic form. Okay, so friend, while performing the negation of verbal form of quantified statement, you must follow some rules. So your first rule is replace all or every by some and vice versa. Means if in the quantified statement all or every is given, then replace it by some, and if some is given, then replace it by all or every. Okay. Now your second rule, use not after verb. Okay. And third rule, if not is already present in the statement, then remove it. Let me repeat once again. Your first rule is, in place of all or every, you have to write down some, and if in the statement some is given, then replace it by all or every. Your second rule is use not after verb, and your third rule is if not is already present in the statement, then remove it. Okay. Now let us take some example for better clarity. All triangles are equilateral. Okay. So this is your example and your question is perform its negation. Okay. So friend, in this example all is given, and according to our first rule, if all is present, then replace it by some. Means in place of all, write down some. Okay. Now your second rule, after verb you have to use not. Means here you have used not. So the negation of this example becomes some triangles are not equilateral. Understood? Now let us take another example. Some students are not regular. Okay, and your question is write it negation. So student, in this statement some is present. Okay, so according to our first rule, some is replaced by all. So in place of some, write down all. Students are not. Okay, not is present, and according to our third rule, if not is already present in a statement, then remove it. So the negation of this example becomes all students are regular. Okay, understood? Now student, let us learn about the symbolic form of quantified statement. Okay, so friend, while performing the negation of symbolic form of quantified statement, here also you have to notate some rule. So your first rule is replace the symbol of universal quantifier by the symbol of existential quantifier and vice versa. Means if in the statement the symbol of universal quantifier is given, then replace it by the symbol of existential quantifier, and if in the statement the symbol of existential quantifier is given, then replace it by the symbol of universal quantifier. Okay. Your second rule is use opposite symbols. in the quantified statement this is equal to, this symbol is given, then in place of is equal to, write down is not equal to, and vice versa. If in the quantified statement greater than, this symbol is given, then in place of this symbol use less than or equal to, and vice versa. If in the quantified statement less than, this symbol is given, then in place of this symbol write down greater than or equal to, and vice versa. Okay. So let us take some example for better clarity. For all x belongs to A such that x greater than 4. Okay, this is your example and your question is write it negation. Okay. Student, in the given statement the symbol of universal quantifier is given, so replace it by the symbol of existential quantifier. Then x as it is belongs to A such that x greater than 4, so in place of greater than write down less than or equal to 4. Okay, let us take another example. Okay, there exists x belongs to A such that x plus 1 is equal to 4, and your question is write it negation. So in this statement the symbol of existential quantifier is given, so replace it by the symbol of universal quantifier. X as it is belongs to A as it is such that x plus 1 is equal to, okay, and in place of is equal to write down is not equal to, because is equal to is replaced by is not equal to 4. So this is the negation of given statement. Okay, understood? So I hope you understood and enjoyed today's portion, and if you really understood and enjoyed today's portion, then solve this homework and please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you and have a nice day to all.